4b, question 22. Solve 2x minus 5 less than or equal to 5x plus 4 less than 11 where x belongs to integers. Graph the solution set on the number line. Let us take the two inequations. 2x minus 5 less than or equal to 5x plus 4 and the second part is 5x plus 4 less than 11. Okay, we have to solve them separately. Here you can put the inequation and x values to the right side. You can write to the left side also, no problem. 5x minus 2x is equal to minus 5 minus 4. This plus 4 transferring to the left side changes to minus 4. Minus 9 less than or equal to 3x or minus 9 by 3 less than or equal to x. Minus 3 less than or equal to x. We got the lower limit. Okay. Now we can solve the right side. 5x less than 11 minus 4. I took that plus 4 to the right side. So it changes to minus 4. 5x less than 7. X less than 7 by 5. Or x less than, we can write this in mixed number 1, 2 by 5. Thus we obtained the upper limit also. Therefore, together we can write minus 3 less than or equal to x less than 1, 2 by 5. And it is given that value of x belongs to integers. So, can you say the values between minus 3 or from minus 3 to minus 3 and less than 1, 2 by 5? Yes. Therefore, the solution is set minus 3 is included here. Minus 3 less than or equal to, that means we can take minus 3. Then comes minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Is 2 possible? No, it's 1, 2 by 5 only. So we can't take 2. 1, 2 by 5 means it's upper limit. So 1 is less than this number. Okay, so we can take this one also. This is the solution set. And how can we mark it on a number line? First you draw a straight line by using your ruler and pencil and mark the integers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Negative side also, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Okay. So we can mark minus 3 as a dark spot here. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. This is the solution on number line. We plot the solution set on number line. Okay. Understood this problem? Now let us solve question 23. Question 23 is given that x belongs to integers. X belongs to the set of integers. Solve the inequation and graph the solution on number line 3 greater than or equal to x minus 4 by 2 plus x by 3 greater than or equal to 2. This is the inequation given. So, let us split and solve this problem. First part we can take up to this. 3 greater than or equal to x minus 4 by 2 plus x by 3. And the next is from this inequality to this. X minus 4 by 2 plus x by 3 greater than or equal to 2. These are the two parts. Now let us solve. Here we can take the LCM 6. Or you can multiply each term on both sides by 6. Okay. Here I took the LCM. So 3 into x minus 4 plus 2 into x. And the left side is 3. 3 into x, 3x, 3 into minus 4, minus 12, 2 into x, 2x. Now we can multiply this 6 to the left side. Divided by 6 changes to 3 into 6 to the left side. Okay. Division, when we transfer this number 6 to the left side, it changes to multiplied by 6. 18 greater than or equal to 3x and 2x are like terms. Add them. 5x minus 12. Okay. We can write that 12 to the left side as 18 plus 12 greater than or equal to 5x. Okay. So that is 30 greater than or equal to 5x, 30 by 5 greater than or equal to x, 6 greater than or equal to x. Okay. This is the first part. Now the second portion. X minus 4 by 2 plus x plus 3 greater than or equal to 5. Take the LCM. 3 into x minus 4 plus 2 into x by 6 greater than or equal to 2. 3x minus 12 plus 2x greater than or equal to 2 into 6. That is 3x plus 2x greater than or equal to 6 2s are 12. And this minus 12 we can write to the right side as plus 12. 5x greater than or equal to 24, or x greater than or equal to 24 by 5. We can write as mixed number, that is x greater than or equal to 4 by 5. Okay. So we got the two limits. X is greater than or equal to 4 by 5, and x is 6 is greater than or equal to x. So therefore we can write it together as 4 by 5 less than or equal to x, and x is less than or equal to 6. Also it is given that x belongs to integers. So which are the integers from 4 by 5 to 6? We can't take 4, so the next is 5, 6 also included here. So 5, 6. We can plot it on number line also. Plot the number, graph the solution on number line means we have to plot these points on number line. Let us plot the point. So the solution set is 5 and 6. We have to mark 5 and 6 on number line, which is the required number line. Now the next question. Question 24. A is equal to set x such that 11x minus 5 greater than 7x plus 3, x belongs to real numbers. B is a set such that 18x minus 9 greater than or equal to 15 plus 12x, x belongs to real numbers. Find the range of set A intersection B. Intersection you learned from the chapter set. It's common elements for set A and set B. And represent it on number line. First of all, let us simplify set A. 11x minus 5 greater than 7x plus 3. How can we do this problem? 11x minus 7x greater than 3 plus 5. That is 4x greater than 8, or x greater than 8 by 4. That is x greater than 2. This is the first part. And now B. We can solve B also. 18x minus 12x greater than or equal to 15 plus 9. We transfer the numbers to the right side and x values to the left side. 6x greater than or equal to 24. X greater than or equal to 24 by 6. Or x greater than or equal to 4. This is the second one. Thus we obtained A as x greater than 2 and B as x greater than or equal to 4. We need A intersection B common to A and B both. How can we calculate this? Yes, x must be greater than 2. X in the value 2 നേക്കാൾ വലുതായിരിക്കണം. Also x must be greater than or equal to 4. 4 അതിൽ കൂടുതലോ ആവണം. So which is that A intersection B? Yes, A intersection B is x such that x greater than or equal to 4. And x belongs to real numbers. Let us plot number line. Plot the values on number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. Negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, etc. So how can we plot the values x greater than or equal to 4? Yes, we can mark a dark spot on 4. Real numbers. Starting from 4 and it's greater than or equal to 4 means we should take the values greater than 4. Real numbers means we have to take all the numbers from 4. That means we have to shade this portion up to the arrow mark. All the values, we have to consider all the values from 4. We can't spot one by one. Integers, all numbers, natural numbers ഒക്കെ ആണെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ഓരോ നമ്പേഴ്സ് ആയിട്ട് ലിസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. റിയൽ നമ്പേഴ്സ് എന്ന് പറയുമ്പം there are infinitely many numbers from 4. So we have to consider all the numbers. അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ റിയൽ നമ്പേഴ്സിന് സെറ്റാണ് തരുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ഷെയ്ഡ് ചെയ്യാണ് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, ലെസ് ദാൻ ഓർ ഈക്വൽ ടു അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഗ്രേറ്റർ ദാൻ ഓർ ഈക്വൽ ടു ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ എപ്പോഴും ആ 4 എന്നുള്ള നമ്പർ കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യും. ഡാർക്ക് സ്പോട്ടാണ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്. ഇൻ കേസ് if x greater than 4 എന്നായിരുന്നുവെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ ആ നമ്പർ ലൈൻ എങ്ങനെയാണ് വരയ്ക്കുക? ഇവിടെ 4 ആണ്, 3, 4, 5 ഇങ്ങനെയാണുള്ളതെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ പ്ലോട്ട് ചെയ്യുക ഒരു ഹോളോ സർക്കിൾ ആയിരിക്കും. then we shade the remaining portion. ഈക്വാളിറ്റി ഇൻക്ലൂഡ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഡാർക്ക് സർക്കിൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഇക്വാളിറ്റി ഇല്ല, ഇനീക്വാളിറ്റി മാത്രമാണെങ്കിൽ ഹോളോ സർക്കിൾ ആയിരിക്കും ഉപയോഗിക്കുക. Understood this problem? Okay. Write all these problems in your notebook and do question 25 as homework. Question 25 is homework. Okay. Thank you all. Have a nice day.